guys. So today we'll be studying about calcarea fluor. We'll see how different aspects of calcarea fluor they come to a single point. They come to a single thread which connects everything in it. The source, sphere of action, its pathology, the physiology in the body, the mental state, the general traits, and the repertory rubrics. If we see how everything comes to one point, how everything depicts a single thing. Okay. So first we see source, that in fluoride of lime it's called, and it occurs naturally in as fluorospar. So this stone, it is a beautiful crystalline stone, and it occurs in different colors also. Okay, it is also present in Hecla lava and lapis alvus. I got to know just this point. And in mythology, it is known as a stone of discernment, that it protects you and shields you from negative thoughts, bad energies. So in stone therapy, it is much helpful thing. Let's see in body how this tissue salt has its role. So it is found in the surface of bones, the enamel of teeth, elastic fibers, that is the skin, connective tissue, and the vascular walls. Also, it is present in the epidermis. So what actually happens is that when there is a disturbance in the molecule of calcarea fluor in a body, the equilibrium, what happens that it causes dilation, or you say a chronic relaxation process of the elastic fibers. Then what happens due to this, absorption of exudate cannot take place, and therefore it results in induration, the hardness, what we see in its pathologies further. Okay, so due to this induration, what happens, pathologies take place where there is enlargement of blood vessels, hemorrhoidal tumors, vascular tumors, glands are indurated. Yeah, the abdominal wall weakening, that becomes hard. So diseases having the seat in a surface of bones, the enamel of the teeth, elastic fibers, that is the kind of skin, connective tissue, vascular walls, blood vessels, yeah, and epidermis. This is the seat of its action. And mainly what it causes is stony hardness, not just hardness, stony hardness. So we see that the sphere of action is on elastic fibers, especially the veins and the glands, and on periosteum, the bones. It disperses the bony growths. Let's see how the mental state, how everything is reflected there. So Massimo explains that it has sense of insecurity, even if there is security behind him. The calcarea aspect, right? So calcarea carp wants the pot filled. He thinks, what if in future I don't have? He wants it filled. Calcarea fluor, he thinks that how much ever I work, how much ever I do, everything is going away. So how he feels that as if the pot has many holes, everything is draining, everything is over consuming. I'm over consuming my energies. So he works a lot, and still everything is overflowing. On the relationships also, Massimo says that they want something of very solid basis, or very concrete basis, something very give and take purpose. That only if I give, I'll receive, and only if I receive, I will give. They want something like that to be secured. So these are the people who are generally very overworking, and everything is very rooted. You see the pathology, the mind aspect also, the sphere of action also, very deeply rooted. And you can see the halogen theme of over consuming. No? That over consuming, it's over accelerated, it's over draining. Everything, my relationship, money, mine, everything. Yeah, I mean too eroded. You can see this as erosion. Ellen writes that there is thought that he would come to want. There is fear of anxiety, fears, money matters. And he thinks that the financial will be running astern, means it will be running behind. The train will be running behind. Groundless fear of financial loss. Groundless. There is no firm basis. It's all imaginary. It's all in the imaginary that financial loss would happen at any time. You would come to want. There is poverty, fear of poverty. That everything I've saved, everything I've worked, everything I've earned will be eroded. So this is the side of calcaria. They want protection, fears, what others think, yeah, withdrawal. And on the other end, fluoratum, they want glamour, glitter, money, sex, superficial contacts. If you see fluoratum in the use also, it is a gemstone. Fluorite is a gemstone used in ornaments, in jewelry purpose. So these people, why they work so much? Why fluoratum? How these themes combined with calcaria? That they want that how what will people think of me? What about my social status? People should think that this person has lot of money. So he will overwork and spend that money to show that see I have so much. Because he wants the relationships to be like that. Solid basis. Firm, something very solid. Yeah. Now see what Dr. Shankaran writes. That fluorine, the function of fluorine is protect the teeth, the enamel. Enamel, it is the strongest and the hardest in a body. One of the strongest and the hardest thing. How is the enamel? It is hard. It is smooth, shiny. Just like how the fluorine is, it's glitter, glamour. Yeah. Exactly the definition of fluoritums. So the main feeling is that person's security, his support is not stable. He wants it to be secured, wants it to be firm, wants it to be solid, reliable, which is not there. So what these people do, they want someone who will give them protection, someone who will be from whom they feel secured. So they become hard, resistant to it. Always feels that something is my thing, my security, my protection, it is going to be eroded. And same thing we can see in the pathologies also. When there is lack of calcareous fluid, there is caries of teeth. Right? When there is lack of calcareous fluid, there is erosion of bones. Therefore, we use it in osteoarthritis, in arthritic processes. It helps to disperse the bony process, the bony growths. On the other hand, calcareous fluid is also used in something I had got very interesting. I'll show you. Yet calcareous fluid, it removes the fibroid deposits also in the endocardium, restores its normal structure. So you can see how this erosion or lack or over excess, yeah, how this is reflected in the mind state also. He wants secure. On the bodily level, he makes the teeth secured, the bones secured, elastic fibers secured. He gives them elasticity, gives them hardness, gives the bones and the enamel the hardness they want, right? So the main rubric of calcareous fluid is poverty, fear of poverty, groundless fear of poverty. Even though the pot is full, he will say no, it is draining away. He will see it as if there are lot many holes in the pot. There something is overflowing, so he will work lot to overcompensate this fear. They will become industrious. They will save money. There will be avarice. You will see avarice in these people. Lot they will overwork to extent. Won't take much risk. Be prepared with the insurance for health because you think that anytime my health can go down, anytime my body will some or the other part will be lost. He will lose some other part. There will be erosion of bones. Same thing he feels with a relationship also. Then they are not stable. They are not very secure. He wants them to be secure. The person on whom he is dependent, he may leave him. The relationship will be broken. So he wants the relationship also to be secured. Which he sees is not secured, not reliable, not stable. Let's see on the pathology how this all is reflected. Okay. So the tooth enamel, this is one of the hardest substance in the body. How is this done? It's contained fluorine. So fluoride gives it strength, the hardness it wants, the resistant quality it wants. In the bones also, right? So we see The main pathological general is hardness induration. How we saw in the body how the functioning goes, right? So induration threatening suppuration also. So usually these chronic progressive pathologies, na, they develop slowly over time. They don't grow all of a sudden. It's a slow process. The varicosities, yeah, the bony overgrowths, erosions, arthritis process, osteoarthritis, right? So you can see hardness in different areas. Like there are knots, hard knots in females, hard stony glands, hard nails, hard excrescences on the scalp, ulcers. The edges are hard. There is keratitis, cysts, sclerosis of ossicles. In rhinitis, there are prominent crusts, hard swelling of cheek, jawbone, yeah, swelling of the lower bone, especially hardening of tongue, induration of testicles, exostosis of fingers, synovitis, hard edges of ulcers. See how it is reflected in repertory now. Yeah, hard warts on the scalp, lower jaw swelling is hard, face eruptions hard, hardness pit of stomach after injuries. Yeah, generalities, hardness injuries from single remedy calcarea fluid. These are all single remedy rubrics, yeah, of calcarea fluid. Cancer, hardened mammary. Hardness, stony uterus. During pregnancy, hard knots. Neck glands, induration, stony hardness. In extremities, joints, indurated. The swelling, indurated. Yeah. Ligaments are indurated. Muscles, indurated. Hardness of the tongue after inflammation. Wounds, hardness is there. So you see everywhere there is hardness. Cheeks, swollen, hard. Muscles, indurated. Tendons, indurated. So hardness is very peculiar. They want something secured. If it is not there, erosion. If it is in excess, hardness. We saw earlier how when there is lack of calcarea fluid in the body, it causes dilation, causes relaxation. Then there is no absorption of the exudate, which again leads to hardness, to induration. This is the main hitting point of calcarea fluid. The mind rubrics, if we see, some very peculiar rubrics. Fear causeless, anxiety about future, delusion he will come want to. This is the very peculiar rubric of calcarea fluid. Delusion he will come to want. Because the person on whom he is dependent, who is giving him security, who is giving him toughness, it will be lost. Fear, poverty, prosperous although. That is why Fatak writes groundless fears of poverty. Groundless, there is nothing grounded. It's everything imaginary. Yeah. Delusion poor he is. Therefore, he has fear of accident to loved ones, death of relatives, death of dreams of relatives, dreams of death of loved ones. And ardent working, single remedy. Why these people are ardent so much? Because they want to accumulate retention, concreteness. Massimo gave the theme of, yeah, concreteness, accumulation. They will save and save. Why? To just become secure. They just want to be secured, nothing else. Because they imagine, what if this calamity comes in? What if everything gets eroded? Hardness, nails, early decay of teeth, arcus senilis, cracks, tongue, horizontal crack, very peculiar, horizontal crack, yeah. And these are pungent and highly seasoned food. Some confirmatory symptoms are these. So friends, I hope you have got what calcarea flu's theme centralize, central, very exact, central which covers each and everything. That is hardness, induration. So you have to go, you have to see in the source what it is used for. You have to see the mental thing. You have to see the physical pathologies, what it does in the body, the physiological action, and correlate everything, and then see in the repertory. That are there rubrics? What rubrics? Only then you can know what to select, what to not. Yeah, where it is there in the repertory. I hope you do such effort. I hope you work like this and it helps you more. Okay? Thank you.